Composition: Drospirenone 3 mg, progestin. Ethinyl estradiol 0.03 mg, estrogen. Uses of Yasmin: prevention of pregnancy, regulation of irregular menstrual cycles, reduction of menstrual pain, dysmenorrhea, treatment of acne related to hormonal imbalance, management of premenstrual syndrome, PMS, symptoms, helps reduce water retention and bloating. Mechanism of action: how Yasmin works. Yasmin prevents pregnancy through multiple mechanisms. Inhibits ovulation by suppressing LH and FSH release. Thickens cervical mucus, preventing sperm penetration. Alters endometrial lining, making implantation unlikely. Drospirenone also has antiandrogenic and antimineralocorticoid effects, helping with acne and fluid retention. Dosage and administration: take 1 tablet daily at the same time each day. Usually supplied as a 21-day or 28-day pack. Start on the first day of menstruation or as advised by a healthcare professional. If a dose is missed, follow standard COC missed pill guidelines. Side effects: common side effects: nausea, breast tenderness, headache, mood changes, mild weight changes. Serious, rare, side effects: increased risk of blood clots, VTE, high blood pressure, liver problems, hyperkalemia due to drospirenone. Contraindications: Yasmin should not be used in history of thromboembolic disorders, severe liver or kidney disease, known or suspected breast cancer, pregnancy, smokers over 35 years with cardiovascular risk, drug interactions, enzyme inducers, e.g., rifampicin, phenytoin, carbamazepine, certain antibiotics and antiepileptics, potassium-sparing drugs due to drospirenone. Clinical importance: popular COC with added benefit of antiandrogenic action. Useful in women with acne, PMS, and bloating. Requires proper screening due to VTE risk. Summary: Yasmin is an effective combined oral contraceptive offering reliable birth control along with benefits like cycle regulation, acne improvement, and reduced fluid retention. Proper patient selection and counseling are essential for safe use.